Okay, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 9. It's about multidimensional arrays. Multidimensional arrays is that when you have an arrangement of data in a matrix or a table, where I have, as in this diagram here, I have rows which have numbers, okay, and columns which are numbered, okay. Now, if I want to uh, arrange that data in a table in a row by column, okay, I must go through what we call a coordinate, okay. So the indices will be our coordinates, which is column 1 and row 1. Here, for example, row 2 and column 3. So we're going to use the position of the column and the row just to access that data which is arranged in a table form. Okay, so our example shall make this as a tic-tac-toe table, okay, which is like, see here. So every 500 milliseconds, which is around half a second, will print a line for us, okay, of X and O's, and they will be arranged as uh, uh, in a table, okay. Now, the problem with or not the problem, there's something in the TCL is that it does not have like multidimensional arrays as dedicated multidimensional arrays. No, you must write your own way of multidimensional arrays, which is here. When I say array set, my array, which is the XO array, the tic-tac-toe array, the name is like this. This is the whole name, okay? And you yourself will be replacing the name parts, which is the value of the column and the value of the row, okay, as you pass through, for example, this nested, like double for loops, because you need to do a double for loop because you have to pass the rows, okay, and for each row you must pass all the columns just to access what you want. So this is how it's done. So for each, let's say in the for each manner, for each row here, go do for each column. Of course, you increment the row for each row and increment the column for each column, so you can go to the next column, okay, from column 1 to column 3, okay. And every time I set my index as this string, so row and column will be replaced here to the index. And now I say I can use index as in this form. Now this is off commented, okay, this is commented, but I just want to show you that you can use this form or use this explicit form, okay. So for those who know a little bit in C++ or Java, can just easily understand what's going on. Okay, so it's just a string that's being replaced here, just to say that this is the index of the array, like previous lessons. Okay. Now what's with the new line? No new line. I have an option called no new line, which is puts, usually when it types and when it prints out, it has an implicit new line, so it goes directly to the prompt or to the next line. Non-new line will not allow puts to make a new line at the end, okay. And I've made for every XO in the array /t. /t means a tab, okay. So I make a space of tabs, okay. So that's why I get it as such every time there's a spacing of tab, okay. So this is how you shall get something similar to this table. So this is my XO table. Okay, and that's it. So if you have to put things in a table, okay, you use this format and then go through this data. Okay, and you can also set the data using the set index, similar to the set index, and make your own array as such. And that's all. Thanks.